What's up, Marinas? This is Abhilash Thakur and welcome to Sailor's Guide. Alright people, so we have reached up to rule number 14, that is head-on situation. Well, this rule is quite simple and we will just cover it up very quickly. So let's get on to it. So they are saying the term which is used here, the two power-driven vessel. A power-driven vessel, you have already learned that definition in rule number 3, that a vessel which has been driven by machinery. Okay, only those vessels this rule will apply. Okay, so let's say there are two vessels which are nearly on the reciprocal course. So as the risk of collision exists, now they are on the reciprocal course. It means, let's say if she is following 0, 0, 0 and she is following 1, 8, 0. So they are on the reciprocal course and the risk of collision exists. Well, it's very simple. If there is no risk of collision, you don't need to take action. If the risk of collision is there, you need to take action. So the head-on situation is, if you are on the reciprocal course approaching each other and the risk of collision exists, then both the vessel will take alteration to the starboard side and pass port to port, or we can say red to red at night time. Here the important thing we need to learn, that the vessel should be on the reciprocal course or nearly to the reciprocal course. So what does it mean? How much nearly we are talking about? So normally we take about 5 to 6 degrees on the reciprocal course. Let's say you are following 0, 0, 0. She could be doing 175 or 185. I mean, we have taken this margin. Okay, so about 5 to 6 degrees of the reciprocal course will be considered as a head-on situation. That is what the normal criteria is. But mind you, this applies only for the power-driven vessel, first thing, and they should be on the reciprocal courses or nearly reciprocal, and the risk of collision should exist. Let's say you are here following 0, 0, 0 and another vessel is here, she is following 180. Then of course the thing is that you are on the reciprocal courses. But here, as you can see, the risk of collision does not exist. So the thing is, there is no need to take the action because you are passing safely. So the purpose of the rule is to pass safely. Only when you have risk of collision, you take action according to the situation. So basically we have three situations at sea. One is overtaking, that we have covered in rule number 13. 14 is head-on situation, and the third one is the crossing situation, which we will cover in rule number 15. So these are the situations normally we face at sea. Okay guys, so mostly when we get confused in the head-on situation is these situations which we see normally. So I will just explain the situation what they are, okay, which you normally see at sea. So here you can see that this is a vessel, this is a B vessel, and there is another vessel which is C. So as per the head-on situation, they both will take action to the starboard side. But here the trouble is that she is overtaking this one also. Okay, so there are two situations at one time. So the trouble is, if she takes alteration to the starboard side, she may end up getting collide with this vessel. So here normally this vessel will take action and you will not take action because of this vessel. Well, we should remember the rule number 2, part B, in construing and complying with these rules, we should give all regards to the all dangers of navigation. So here this is the one danger of navigation because the vessel might be dangerous for us. So we will not take the action and we can just escape from the following the rule here. Okay, so obviously to pass safely from all of them, she will take the action, and she is also smart enough to see that this vessel cannot take action because of this one. So you need to be vigilant what are the situations are developing. Okay, here in the second part, the same thing. Instead of the vessel, we have the depth here is less. Let's say you have a draft and the depth is not sufficient to take the action to the starboard side. So same as per the rule number 2 part B, you can escape from it because you cannot take action because of the danger of the navigation here. Okay, that is the problem. So these are the two things you will face at sea, and these are the action you will take. So don't worry, it's not means that it is necessary to take the action on the starboard side, even though it will get entangled you in the another danger of the navigation. So you should not take action okay, because the purpose of the rules is to save you, not to get you into the trouble. Okay, so this is about the A part. Let's jump on to the next part, guys. Well, B part is how we will consider that a head-on situation is there, as we have learned in the overtaking situation, that if the vessel sees at night time a starlight only, then she will be considered that she is overtaking. And also at the daytime, she should be above the 22.5 degrees of the beam of another vessel. So here in the head-on situation, well, you will see both the mast headlight in line. Okay, as you see the vessel coming from ahead, you will see both the lights are in the line or nearly in the line, as we have taken a slight alteration. Okay, so you will see both the mast headlight and both the side lights, but the mast headlight should be in line or nearly in line. Okay, so that is what you do. You need to take action as per the head-on situation if you see both the mast headlight in line and both the side lights. Well, at daytime, obviously you will be able to see by the aspect, by the bearing. If you are following 000, she is following 180, 175, 176, that will be considered also as a head-on situation. Okay, and this is what is B part about. Let's jump on to the next part. Well, C part is very simple, guys. When a vessel is in doubt that this head-on situation exists, she should assume that it does exist and act accordingly. Okay, if you have any doubt that a head-on situation is there or not there, you are not able to figure out, you will consider it as it is there. Okay, and you will take action accordingly. You will go to your starboard side and pass port to port with the another vessel. Okay, that is what is all about the rule number 14, guys. Very simple, nothing is complicated here. Just to remind a few technical things, and that's all for the rule number 14. If you find this video helpful, please press the like button and subscribe my channel and press the notification bell. Share this video to your friends and also tell them about this channel. Please support me so that I can grow and make more videos for you guys. Alright guys, this is Abhilash Thakur signing off.